This is not a nice fellow. Look what I got. Dogs all on alert. But she's fixed now. Dangerous fellow. No need to play with this one. We have been alarmed from the dogs, but yeah, it was hiding. Just caught it right away. And we're going to remove it now, because you don't want a cobra on your place. Yeah. So this is Thailand. We have sometimes also venomous animals here, and yeah, but they need to be removed. You can see it's a monocled cobra, a common cobra. She has the eye on the back, and now she's kind of aggressive. So let's let her out. Go. Go, go. Go away. We are not doing anything to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.